To every decent person watching this message is for you. No matter your race, country, religion, culture, age, or background, one thing matters more than anything else: the energy you choose to bring into the world. Being decent doesn't mean you're perfect. It means you choose respect over disrespect, kindness over cruelty, honesty over lies, peace over unnecessary conflict, helping instead of hurting. Imagine what the world would look like if millions of decent people stood together, not with hate, but with good character. No bullying, less division, more understanding, more accountability, more people lifting each other up instead of tearing each other down. The world doesn't need more people chasing drama. It needs more people who keep their word, treat others fairly, and do the right thing even when nobody is watching. If that's the kind of energy you believe in, then you're part of this message. Let's build a community that expects one thing from each other: decent energy, respect, honesty, responsibility, compassion, and treating others the way we'd want to be treated. If you agree, hit the like button to show you're standing for decent energy. Share this video so it reaches more people who believe in respect and unity. And leave a comment saying, "I choose decent energy." Together, we can remind the world that good character still matters. Subscribe for more positive messages that bring people together.